I'm very angry. I don't know where to start from. Number one, my sincere condolences to those who perished in this musibah or in this unfortunate happening. Because we didn't expect. Enough already was the fact that we are unable to travel, we are unable to cross to Nairobi or from Nairobi to our homes in northern Kenya. It was enough that we have lost businesses. It was enough that people are idle and suffering. And again, to die in these circumstances is very unfortunate. We are told that so far only one person has been recovered out of many. The number is not known. As was said by Mr. Rono, the acting DCC, is that the acting county commissioner, that there are about 43 people on that boat. We don't know. It's just a number that is arbitrary. There was no even counting of who how many people were on that boat. It's very unfortunate. The people, so it's just like a number we are guessing. So out of 43 so far, we are only sure of 23 who were recovered and one who was confirmed dead. The rest we don't know, unfortunately. So that's where we are. Very, very unfortunate situation. And this situation, of course, we can keep putting all kind of blames everywhere, but one particular person to be blamed. And I wonder who licensed that person. I confirm from Tana River County that he was not licensed. Of course, we did not license him from Garissa County. A goon, a culprit, a criminal for that matter, who just decided to bring some 2 boats from I don't know where, from Lamu, somewhere, unlicensed, packs people into the boat, and without any regard for their safety, overloads the people, and then rushes over, the speeds over the boat into heavy running waters. Very, very unfortunate. With no lifeguards, or life jackets on the boat, with no trained personnel on the boat for rescue. The first request I made since last night was for that criminal to be apprehended. And up to now, that has not happened, to my surprise. Okay, I can hear the acting commissioner saying that they are following leads to apprehend him. I'm told he's on the run. When a county commissioner, that person should be apprehended quickly and should be really brought to the public for this criminality that he caused us. Number 2, my message is to Kenha. Kenha, for heaven's sake, if you want to do something, do it properly on this road. If not, just come out and say we cannot do it. But the question of putting patches and sand on a place which is so vulnerable can't work. This is enough. Is enough. It's 3 months ago that we're told Kenya has done this road. What kind of road has been done here now? So Kenya, just be sincere and come out clear on your intentions for this area of this part of Tana River and Garissa County for that matter. Number 2, there must be a solution from the national government, and this is something I think we need to address. We need to sit down and discuss seriously. What do we do every other time when the dams are full? And then what I just released like this. What is the solution? There must be solutions like diverting this water to other places before they reach our homes. Before the river flood. I mean, it's just year in, year out, and for the last how many years, God knows. How come that as a country we can't have this discussion or this debate to come to a solution, or to come up with some kind of alternatives? We are a country. A country must talk, not just to leave people to suffer and looking at them so helplessly. So this is for another day now. We'll talk about it definitely with our people up there. But for now, let me say that tunasema pole, but also my sincere request is to the people of this area, whether coming from Garissa or from Tana River, please exercise patience and restraint. Hakuna haja ya wewe kutaka kucross maji kama haya. na ujitie katika hali ya hatari. There's no need. Have patience for a day or 2 or 3 until we can see how the situation gets or improves. But when you just simply say because you want to rush somewhere impatiently, this is the outcome. So mimi yangu ni kuomba watu wa Garissa, watu wa Tana River, muwe na subra ili we do not have this kind of suffering again, or this kind of unfortunate results occurring.